property crimes unit were in surveillance vehicles and they found an occupied stolen at one of our local apartment complexes. We went out to do a high-risk stop on it, and the driver and the female passenger refused to comply with our orders. Hands! Hands!
Put your hands up!
He's gonna go.
Put your fucking hands up now, police! Don't move,
Get out of the way. He's popped the tires. He's jumping curbs. Occupied by one black male, one black female passenger seat. They drove out of the parking stall and out of the apartment complex. We popped all 4 tires using our stop sticks, so they weren't able to get very far. Ultimately ended up down the road a few blocks away from where this all happened, and the driver got out running. One of our supervisors, PIO Moss Jr., saw the driver running down the road and ended up getting him into custody. So there's a bullet found on his person, so there's a good chance that he may have had a firearm. He's not supposed to have firearms, so I elected to have K9 come over and do an evidence track and just make sure we're not leaving a firearm out here on the streets.